In this video, I'll be showing you one of the challenges that I have faced some time ago in Lumion. And the challenges were some of the things that were supposed to be circular became like polygon. If you look at this edge now, this edge is supposed to be circular, it's supposed to be like curve, but it's not looking like a polygon. And even these lighting features were supposed to be circular, but if you look at it carefully, you will now see that it's looking like a rhombus. If we open our Revit now, you see that those things were actually circular. Look at it. This is circle, and I expected it to be circle in Lumion, but it turned out to be so. I later discovered the solution to it. If you want to watch the full video is in my Lumion Tutorial Masterclass. If you want to gain access to the training, all you need to do is tap on the Learn More button or on the link in the description of this video. It will take you to where you can enroll in the course, and you get that video plus other useful video that will help you in Lumion.